Hi guys, this is Anna from MacHollywood, and today I want to show you the long-awaited Wacom stand for the MobileStudio Pro. Made from a lightweight, durable metal, the stand's added weight is virtually unnoticeable. The adjustable height positions let you choose between one of 3 comfortable angles to draw on. The stands are universal to fit any of the 13 or 16-inch models of the MobileStudio Pro. Attach the bottom bracket of the stand to the bottom clips of the MobileStudio Pro. With this firmly locked into place, choose your preferred height and snap it into the top clips like so. With each section locked, the MobileStudio can support the rested weight of your arm in any of the 3 comfortable drawing positions. You can go to the Wacom website or to MacHollywood.com to check current pricing. The other contents of the box include a quick start guide to show you how to use the stand and how to attach it to the tablet, as well as instructions and parts for swapping the clips on your MobileStudio Pro if needed. Wacom has more information about this on their website, but most mobile studios won't need these replacements. As well as being extremely light, the stand folds and locks flat to the MobileStudio for easy portability and storage when you're traveling and on the go. Thanks for watching the video. Feel free to comment, like, or subscribe, and check us out on Instagram.